Welcome back to New Vehicle Media, your go-to channel for electric vehicle news and updates. If you are new to the channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button to see more similar content like this. Tesla's Gigafactory in Austin, Texas launched on Thursday. This is a significant step forward in the company's long-awaited plans to begin manufacturing its electric Cybertruck. Tesla held a cyber rodeo to commemorate the grand launch. It invited 15,000 people to come listen to live music, consume food, and pay tribute to Elon Musk and Tesla, as well as celebrate the opening of the new Tesla store. We'll look at the top features of the new Tesla Gigafactory in Texas in today's video. What is its size? What are the new characteristics of Tesla's latest factory? In this video, we explore all of these topics and more. The GigaPress is the first cool component of the Texas Gigafactory we'll look at. Everything is large in Texas, especially Tesla's Gigafactory, and the massive array of press machines that will be used to create Model Y body parts. In 2020, Tesla began using this massive GigaPress machine at its Fremont facility. It's made by the Italian business Hydra and has a clamping force of between 55,000 and 61,000 kilonewtons, 5,600 to 6,200 tons. The business uses it to produce front and rear underbody castings for the Model Y. Tesla's production process has been streamlined by replacing assemblies with up to 70 distinct parts with 2 or 3 huge castings, resulting in considerable cost and time savings. According to Tesla watcher Jeff Roberts v Electric, who has taken drone images at the plant, the gigantic casting equipment has begun to be deployed at its other gigafactories, which are now under construction. And another pair of Hydra Gigapress has been brought to the Texas Gigafactory. This is the 4th Gigapress and expected to arrive in the Texas facility. A new battery assembly line is another highlight of the Texas Gigafactory, which Tesla teased in a 1-minute film released in January 2021. It's already a reality in Gigafactory, Texas. A new 46 HD battery assembly line has been installed at Tesla's new Gigafactory in Texas. Many firms looking to create electric cars are in desperate need of battery cells, but Tesla is going above and above. Despite relying on Panasonic, LG Chem, and Cable for sales, the business has started producing its own batteries at the Cato Road site near the Fremont factory. Despite the fact that Tesla now sources from third-party suppliers, the company may eventually seek to phase it out in order to control price, improve profits through vertical integration, and control supply through demand forecasts. 2021 must detail the company's battery production efforts, despite the fact that Tesla now sources from third-party suppliers. Tesla has even gone so far as to obtain its own battery materials, with Musk advising huge nickel mining businesses to approach Tesla. If a sustainable nickel miner came forward, the CEO offered a large contract that would last several years. To lessen dependency on cobalt, Tesla suppliers are concentrating on high nickel batteries. Due to higher battery quality and revolutionary EV technology, the battery pack is the most expensive component of an electric car, and its longevity is decided by its quality. Tesla has a sizable advantage in the market. There is always room for improvement. The business intends to attain price parity with gas-powered vehicles by mass-producing batteries in the future. Tesla has outlined a thorough roadmap that claims a $25,000 vehicle would be available in a few years. It all comes down to controlling battery costs, and Tesla has figured out how to manufacture these new 4680 batteries on an in-house scale. This means Tesla is well on its way to decreasing the cost of its electric automobiles dramatically. Solar panels on the roof. Videos of the progress of the rooftop solar panels on the Texas Gigafactory surfaced on social media several months ago. Solar panels cover the roof of Gigafactory in Texas, allowing the firm to operate the mammoth building with clean energy. Tesla had highlighted this in its plans for Giga Nevada, its first Gigafactory, whose physical footprint has maintained at just over 30% for several years. According to fresh local rumors, Tesla is considering a big megapack project in Gigafactory, Texas, to complement its massive solar system and address worries about the state's unreliable power grid. The plan is continuously evolving, with new features being introduced all the time. Manufacturing is still in its infancy. Drone flyovers revealed that Tesla had started building on a huge solar array on the factory's rooftop in recent weeks. Tesla will be spelled out in the sky by solar panels. At the Gigafactory in Texas, Tesla is now planning to add energy storage to its renewable energy solution. According to analysts, Tesla has filed an application with the city of Austin for a new project called GIGA Texas LCR, which is a permanent switch yard and base. Despite the fact that the design makes no indication of expected capacity, it does span a massive building space of 53 acres, which would be enough for a big number of mega parks. The Mega Park project would allow Tesla to make better use of its upcoming rooftop solar panel system while also providing some protection from Texas's notoriously inefficient grid. In recent winters, the state's grid has experienced repeated blackouts and brownouts. As a result of these challenges, many homeowners have turned to Tesla's power walls. Thus, it only makes sense for Tesla to do the same for Gigafactory Texas. Tesla launched a big megapack project for an energy provider in Texas earlier this year, but on a greater scale. We won't know for sure until Tesla publishes all of the details about the new project in Gigafactory Texas. There is no deadline for the solar rooftop and battery installations. The move is part of Tesla Energy CEO Elon Musk's aim to transform the company into a distributed global utility, a project that might outgrow the company's vehicle sector. The Texas Gigafactory's scale is another notable characteristic. Musk was speaking at Giga Texas, Tesla's new $1 billion facility in Austin, Texas, the Cyber Rodeo celebration, which was broadcast live on the internet and featured drone lights, a Tesla vehicle suspended from the ceiling, and blow-up cacti that must be set in front of thousands of people. This structure can hold 194 billion hamsters, according to our estimations. He further claimed that the factory is the equivalent of 3 pentagons in size. It is taller than the Burj Khalifa when built on its side. To scale gigabytes, that is, according to Tesla's slideshow presentation at the occasion, Texas is 1,166 meters tall on one side. The Burj Khalifa skyscraper in Dubai is at 829 meters, whereas the Eiffel Tower in Paris stands at 338 meters. Musk stated that the factory was the world's largest factory building by volume, with a volume of 338 cubic feet. After the presentation, Giga Texas is 15 city blocks long, according to the presentation. The Gigafactory's top-level automation will be the final aspect examined. The Texas Gigafactory contains a number of automated skids with cameras and sensors that help transfer vehicles from one assembly stage to the next, all of which is done autonomously. Tesla's autonomous driving model has undoubtedly begun to be used within the facility. Of course, this will increase the speed and efficiency of manufacturing. During the Cyber Rodeo, Musk stated that the plant will be producing at least 500,000 automobiles per year by next year. Initially, it will produce Model Y hatchbacks with the most awaited Cybertruck pickup, as well as a new version of the Roadster, sports car, and Tesla Semi entering into production next year. Subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. And don't forget to turn on the notification bell icon so you don't miss out on our latest uploads. And lastly, leave a like as it will really help our channel out. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.